Hi friends, today we will learn some sounds of animals. So let's start. What sound do crows make? They caw. What sound do geese make? They cackle. What sound do hens make? Cluck. What sound do frogs make? They croak. What sound do dolphins make? They click. What sound do owls make? They hoot. What sound do rats make? They squeak. What sound do birds make? They twitter. What sound do monkeys make? They gibber. What sound do cattle make? They moo. What sound do horses make? They neigh. What sound do nightingales make? They pipe. What sound do ducks make? They quack. Sound of elephants. Trumpet. Sound of mosquito. Whine. Sound of camel. Grunt. Sound of parrot. Screech. Bye.